Let's work fly.
Be sure of the information that you are going to write. Number 2, measure the cloth to ensure that it's even. Number 3, create a visual or mental border away from the edges. Identify where you want to start your words by doing a light sketch or simply mapping it out on paper. Take your time and properly measure between the borders to find out the specific size and spacing of each letter and sentences. When you are using the meter stick, ensure that you are looking directly in front and not the sides or below, or the measurement will be wrong. Ensure to find the half of each row to keep the center of the words on the same level or approximately based on the lettering. Begin to write. While writing, keep in mind the neatness, measurements, and the cohesiveness of the lettering style. It should look aesthetically pleasing. To paint. For me, painting the outline first is better because it needs more attention. After painting the outline of one letter, you can quickly do the inside. Do the same thing for each letter until complete. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.